Well, basically it's for important verbs, and this one, venir, to come, is quite important, especially because it's a bit tricky in a way, so we'll see why. Je suis venu. Tu es venu. Il est venu. Elle est venue. Nous sommes venus. Vous êtes venus. Ils sont venus. Elles sont venues. Okay, so if you remember carefully when we introduced the passé composé construction in the Unit 5, I told you that most of the verbs were constructed with avoir, but then we had the list of the verbs that requires this être verb. Venir is among them, okay, so that's the reason why you put être here at the present form, okay, and then remember that if you get to put être, then have a look at the feminine form here. You will have to add this final e, okay, feminine singular, but then for the plural form you will have to add this s here, okay, and then for the feminine plural you will have to add this es. Alright, but then the good news, there is a good news, yes, it's that you don't pronounce them, so basically you get the pronunciation venu, 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 and then the same thing, venu, you don't pronounce this final e. Venu, you don't pronounce the final s. Venu, you don't pronounce the final s either. Same thing here, venu, and same thing here, venu, you don't pronounce s. So phonetically, you only have one way to pronounce it, but remember, if you want to write correctly, you will have to put e for the feminine, s for the plural, es for the feminine plural. Okay, let's repeat them one more time. Je suis venu. Tu es venu. Il est venu. Elle est venue. Nous sommes venus. Vous êtes venus. Ils sont venus. Elles sont venues.